The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, welcome to the recent and hot Salesforce interview questions by CRS Info Solutions. And let's see today something useful for your career. So interview preparation. So it is related to interview related question for the day, like how to get hands-on experience on Salesforce. So please note, whenever you are working for any interview or interview preparation, hands-on experience definitely matters a lot because the interviewer will not see your quality if you're not having hands-on experience, and interviewer will automatically understand that you are not suitable for the job. So to get the hands-on exposure in Salesforce market, there are some areas which you can focus. First, which almost everyone knows, that is trailhead. Working on trailhead, solving the badges, working on the badges, working on various trail mixes. This is one way. For many people it works, for many people it doesn't work. Like, it's like depending on you what kind of learning methodology you need. Some people don't like self-based learning, some people don't like the one direction learning, and that's why they go for the second level, the instructor led learning, where they learn from some instructor, they do some course, and they do this learning like a school or college education the way we do, and this way they try to get the exposure on the hands-on. But I will recommend you the third one. First one, second one, like it's up to you what you want to do. But more benefits you will get if you opt the third one, because this is going to give you the high results as compared to the previous one. That is working on any real-time project or any company or any job, like an shadow or like an intern, and do this all under a mentor. So this way you will get not only the knowledge of Salesforce, but also you will get the chance to work in real-time environment of company. Check in your network if you know any software company, any relative, any known person who can help you, any mentor, anyone. And this way you will get the benefit of working in a real-time environment. And with this scenario, concepts will be clear. You will be having confidence level to explain the things in the interview. And this is what actually we also do for our students in CRS Info Solutions. You also check your network, try to get this kind of exposure. And please note, every student has different taste of learning. Some students like to work on self mode, some work with going with the instruction of someone like a mentor or trainer. So you also think and check what is your suitable area, what suits you better, and as per that you plan the things. These are the areas by which you can get the exposure on hands-on. So good luck for your further preparation. Take any best choice for you, and let's meet in the next video. Do subscribe the channel for getting more such career benefits like this. Thank you.